Hi everyone, welcome to Find Your Fly. If you have some Qantas Frequent Flyer Points lying around and want to know what is the best way to redeem them, let me show you what I think is the best way to get the most out of those points. What about getting one of those well-known round-the-world business class tickets? And most importantly, paying less to what an economy ticket costs? Well, this ticket can be easily booked on the Qantas website. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the Australian site, qantas.com.au. Let's start searching for multi-city tickets. Select Use Points, Classic Fly Rewards only. And now we can start planning our trip. Let's say we start our journey in Sydney. Hopefully Hong Kong has opened its borders by September. Always be flexible with dates for all flights. My recommendation is to take advantage of the best business class products out there. That's why Doha is always in my plans. Qatar Airways Q-Suite business class experience is how everyone should fly. Now let's go to Europe. Fancy for some Spanish tapas? What about a stop in Barcelona? Flight number 4, and it makes sense to go to New York. A week in New York and our last flight. Let's go back to Sydney. Hit search and now we can start looking at the flights. Check the aircraft type. I love Cathay Pacific and its business class products, so I'm gonna select this flight out of Melbourne for my first leg. This first ticket is 93,400 points. For our second flight, what about Hong Kong, Kuala Lumpur, Doha? That sounds good. So far, 212,200 points. After a week in Doha, let's get ready to go to Barcelona. Plenty of tickets available, but I'm looking for that special. Q-Suite all the way to Madrid, a few hours to enjoy the lounge or go for a walk before an afternoon flight to Barcelona. So far, 293,400 points are required to get to Europe. Flight number 4, Barcelona to New York. British Airways, not the best business class product or layout out there, but I never turned down the opportunity to fly the A380 out of London. If we have done everything correctly, 318,000 points is the magic number. One more leg to go from America to Australia. So what about New York, Tokyo, Melbourne, Sydney? It's like a cherry on the top. And because we met all the requirements, our total count is still 318,000 points. And lastly, we check the itinerary for all the flights. Seeing that travel class in our tickets that says business is just pure satisfaction. Especially knowing that an economy ticket is 3 times more expensive than this business class ticket is going to cost. In conclusion, we have 319,000 points plus $1,525 in taxes. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments where are you flying next. Stay tuned for the best and fastest ways to accumulate and use your frequent flyer points. This is Find Your Fly with daily travel smart tips. See you next time.